Hello kids, today we will learn about alphabets from A to Z. From A to Z. Okay, let's start. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B for bus. B for bus. C for car. C for car. D for driver. D for driver. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fisherman. F for fisherman. Z for goat. Z for goat. H for home. H for home. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Z for jungle. Z for jungle. K for kite. K for kite. L for lemon. L for lemon. M for mouse. M for mouse. N for neck. N for neck. O for octopus. O for octopus. P for penguin. P for penguin. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for red. R for red. S for sheep. S for sheep. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for van. V for van. W for water. W for water. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y for yellow. Y for yolk. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.